Hi everyone. Today I'm going to do a requested video. You guys can choose what game I play next. Toca Boca, Roblox, or Minecraft. You can choose what I do. Let's get started with the video.
Come on, guys, let's go to the beach.
Okay, we're coming.
Eat your food first. I'll make you pasta, is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yes, is yummy.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's okay, girls.
I'm gonna change now.
Me too. Yay, we got matching sunglasses.
Oh, yes, we do.
I'm gonna get my bag ready. Okay, now I'll get the girls. Are you guys ready?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we're finally here.
I've missed the beach.
Me too. I'm so happy we came.
I'll get the surfboard. Do you want to go on with me?
Yes, of course.
Have fun and stay safe.
Don't worry, we will.
I'll go in the water first.
I'm coming.
Ooh, a fish. It's cute.
Come on, get in.
Okay, I'm coming.
Let's go.
Lola, so many sea creatures.
Yeah, more than usual.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
wow.
An island?
Ha
Haha,
ha.
let's explore. Wow, I never knew there's an island here.
Look, a crabby.
So cute.
Why, it scared me.
No, it's okay. Don't cry.
Oak, I think we should go back now.
Let's get those shells first.
Lola, they are pretty.
Yes, let's go back to show Mum.
That was really fun.
I was waiting for you guys. Whoa, you found shells?
Yes, Izzy got some too.
They look so pretty. Good find.
Yes, we also found an island.
What? Oh my god, really? You guys must have gone far. Okay, let's go home now.
Wait, can we get ice cream, please?
Okay, go for it.
Hi, can I please get strawberry ice cream and vanilla?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Thanks for watching.
By the way, you can request in the comments what video you want me to do next.
Bye.